Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned. So hello everyone. So today I will be taking you through how you can set up a trade on Royal Q. How you can set up your trade on Royal Q. So right now let's open Royal Q. Royal Q. So you have a Royal Q here. So click and open. So right now in this case, so possibly you've already gotten a signal from your signal page, or you already have the knowledge of the market and you want to make a trade. So right now, let's assume I already have a signal that I wanted to trade. So, and the signal is telling me to trade AVAX, AVAX, AVAX. So right now, I will just come and search for AVAX in this search icon button. So click on the search icon button. So and search for AVAX. So that is AVAX. So click on AVAX. So right now the app is telling you that precaution, the coin may have large fluctuation in price. Please trade with caution and note the risks. Royal Q will not be liable for any loss or damage that may occur through the transaction. So you click on confirm. You click on confirm. So right now you click on create. At the down part here, you click on create. So you click on Martingale strategy bot. Martingale strategy bot. So click on it and you click on create again. You click on create again. So as you can see, you click on create again. So right now you will click on feel free to create your own strategy. Feel free to create your own strategy. So you click on that. Feel free to create your own strategy. So click on next. So right now we already have a page opened for us already that is showing us AVAX. And as you can see one short cross margin, and you can see several other information that we have here. Several other information that we have here. So we have cycle, we have sell, we have buy, we have the strategy mode. So you have to switch off this switch switch it off. Switch off the AI margin call and leave the switch on margin call. I hope we get it now. So switch off the AI margin call. So it's asking that you want to switch it off. So click on close. So right now, what are we going to do? We will set our trade settings. So you click on the trade settings here, as you can see here, done. So you click on the trade settings. So right now, you will see at the top, you are going to see smart create and manually create. So you click on the manually create. You click on the manually create. So right now it's saying first buy in amount 12 USDT. So you want to your first buy amount is already calculated by the bot for you. So you can decide to increase it to 15, 20, but it should not be too much in case in this scenario, let's say we are working with $100 minimum as our capital. So let's keep it at that. Let's put it at 15. Let's put it at 15. So right now, I already have settings already that I'm going to be using, so kindly follow through. So right now, this is the setting I want to use. So minimum capital $100. That is what I want to use. So radical the risk type. So I'm going to be inputting all of these details. I'm going to be inserting all of these details in the setup. So kindly follow through. Kindly follow through. So right now, margin call is 7. 7. From what I have here, 7. From what I have here, I have 7. As you can see, 7. So I have 7 there. So whole position take profits 3%. So whole position take profits 3%. Put the 3% here. So go back and pick the settings. Whole position take profit callback 0.1. So I am here right now. So 0.01. 0.01. So I'm going to insert it there 0.01. Buy in callback 2, we have 0.01. 0.01. So click on it 0.01. So sub position take profit callback, it's also 0.01, as you can see here 0.01. So click on and change to 0.01. So right now you click on margin configuration. This click on the margin configuration. So in this case now our margin configuration is 7, and as you can see we only have 1 to 7 call here. So we only have 1 to 7 call here. So what I'm now going to do is I want to copy directly what I have here into the bot. So exactly what I have here, that is what I want to transform. So as you can see, I have 1515157. So I'm going to insert it exactly like that. 1%, 5%, 1%, 5%, 1%, 5%, then 7, according to the instruction that is already in this template. So you might decide to set your template, or the community in which you are getting the signal already has a template for you. So in my own case, I'm using this template to set this for educational purpose. So right now I'm going to insert the multiple buy-in ratio into the bot. So I have 0. 0.7, 0.3, 1.3, 0.3, 1.3. So let's start. So 0.7 times. So what do we have next? 0.3, 1.3, all till done. So we have 0.3, 1.3, 0.3, 1.3, 0.3, 1.3. I hope you're following. I hope you're following. So we already have it correct. So now you're going to click on confirm. Click on confirm. So right now you are going to click on distributed and take profit allocation. Distributed and take profit allocation. Click on it. So right now you have 5, 6, and 7. So according to the settings here, the distributed take profit allocation is supposed to be set at 1.3%. 1.3%. So right now let's insert 1.3%. So we already have the 1.3% there. Just click on confirm. So and your strategy is one shot. Your strategy is one shot. Don't forget. So since that is the setting, so it can either be cycle, it can either be one shot. But for these settings, we are going to set as one shot. So click on save. You click on save and confirm. So right now we already have the settings, and you are going to click on strategy mode. Strategy mode. Strategy mode. So click on strategy mode, or I understand, and then select the sub bin real time settlement. Make sure it's always on sub bin mode real time settlement anytime you set your trade. So click on sub bin mode real time settlement and confirm. So we've already confirmed. So right now you can now start the trade. You can now start the trade, as you can see. So click on start. So it's telling you once the strategy has started, please refrain from using the same to trade or make other investment in the exchange. So it's telling you that once you have already set this trade, don't go and make the transaction or trade in Binance with that same coin, which is AVAX, or else it's going to affect the trade and the bot might not be able to adequately fit in and take your profit for you as you set the settings. So refrain from using that same coin on Binance as you've linked your account. So you click on I understand. So click on create bot. So and that's it. We've already created the trade. We've already placed a trade already. So as you can see, it has already bought $15 worth of AVAX for me, and my position is 0.41 AVAX. So the current price of AVAX is 36.16, and currently I'm on a floating loss of minus 0.0704%. So that's just as simple as that, and you can always use this step to create some other trades. But mind you, this trade that I have taken, it's a minimum of $100. So you cannot create if you are only having $100 or $150 as your capital. You should not create this exact trade for another coin again, because your funds will not be able to cater for such kind of transaction just in case we have a dip in the market. I hope you get what I mean right now. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly give it a like and thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you some other time. Bye.